Okay, it is 9 p.m. on Friday, September 14th, 2018. And here are the air conditioners in my neighborhood once again. I thought it'd be interesting if I filmed them in the dark. This one is not running this time, so I can actually get a good view of the inside. Climate Tough Recip. And there's my kitty right there. Hey kitty, she's outside today. And it looks like she wants to go under the neighbor's house. Not gonna happen, Winnie. Hey kitty. Anyway, there is the gas furnace exhaust pipe right here. I'll film that running in the winter sometime. And again, these are both from 2004, November of 2004. This is a 5-ton, that one is a 3-ton. These are both straight cool units with Climate Tough reciprocating compressors and R22 refrigerant. And yeah, they have the spine thin coils. You know what? Let's take a look at the 2008 Goodmans. Two of these are running. That one's off. And again, the one in the middle is a 2-ton, and the two on either side are both 3 tons. Yeah, this one is a heat pump. See if I can find the reversing valve down there. The thing, it has a suction accumulator. Yeah, there's the reversing valve. That one just shut off. Don't know how well you can see that, but the reversing valve is right down there. Yep. Let's see. I can get a view. There's the energy guy right there. Probably can't read that very well. Central air conditioner, cooling only, 13 SEER. Try to get a good view of the inside. Come on. There's the compressor right there. Copeland reciprocating. Yeah. And this one does the 3rd floor, that one does the main level, and this one does the basement. Can't get a good view of the inside. There's the energy guy on this one. Same thing as the other one. Central air conditioner, cooling only. Yeah. Yeah, that's a heat pump. I can't wait to get my wintertime steam show. Oh, there's the moon right there. Wow. That's a waxing crescent. It shows up as first quarter on the camera. Yeah, this one over here just turned on. As I was saying, it shows up as first quarter on the camera, but that is a waxing crescent moon. Getting ready to set. Okay, where is it? Kind of looks like full, actually. But there's a light around it. Anyway, the other 2 units right here. Right behind the bushes. Yeah. The first time I filmed these units, it was like 91 degrees, and now it is like in the high 70s. With a breeze, it makes it feel a little cooler. Oh. The heat pump's running. Sweet. Suction line's sweaty. Yep, I corrected that. This is the one with the new compressor. Okay, let's see if I can get a view of it. Sorry, it's kind of dark out, so it's not really easy to see it. There it is. Whatever. Not really easy to see it. This one has not really been running. Yep. Okay, you know what? Let's see if that other Train XB10 turned on. Which it probably did. We shall see. And there's my kitty again. There's Winnie right there. Hey, kitty. Hey. Yeah, we let her outside every now and then. Yep, there's some Train XB10s. Yeah, maybe. Okay, it didn't turn on. But we'll get one last look at the Train XB10s. I think that these are matched up with gas furnaces. Yep. This one's still running. Yeah, this one does have the standard fan blades. There's the gas meter right there. Okay. There's the exhaust gas furnace pipe right there. Yeah, this one has been running. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.